Hello, what is up? Once again, everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Land Rover Defender 90. So, of course, this is the new version of the Land Rover Defender, and yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So here's the Land Rover Defender 90 in, I guess, olive green. Looks like an olive green. So this is more of like the newer version of the Land Rovers, not the old classic Land Rover Defender 90. This is the newer version. It looks more of like the Ford Bronco, I know. It kinda does. I like the color that they used. Of course, this is more like the original color, which is, I think, olive green. Looks pretty nice. It has a lot of details, which we will take a look at right now. Here's the Land Rover in, like I said, olive green. You have the white wheels, white rims, which might not seem to be a good idea in this type of car. I don't think it's good to use white wheels on this one. I don't know. For the front, you do have those headlights which are shaped like a square. Looks pretty good. The fender on the hood. And then you have the front grille right there. Looks pretty nice. Sides are the same thing. Whereas the back, you do have the rear lights, which are just a few circles, as well as you have the wheel cap. No, it's actually the real wheel. I don't think so. It's the wheel cap. Not sure. Whereas the roof, it's plastic, and also it's white, of course, because the Defender has a white roof, which to me it's fine. Now this has an opening feature, which is the opening doors. Let me try to open it up to you. It's kind of difficult to open the doors, actually.
Few moments later.
There we go. There's the opening feature. Now you sort of have to like pry out the doors, because it's quite difficult to open. I mean, like, it's quite difficult. So you have to like pry out the doors so that you can see the opening doors feature. There's the car with the opening doors, which again looks pretty nice. Let's take a look at the base. Made in Thailand, Land Rover Defender, 166 kg. Of course, you have the suspension. Of course, looks pretty nice. So there we go, that's it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another one. See you soon. Bye bye.